Hey guys, what's up? Welcome in and welcome back to my channel. Today in the lab, I'm going to be doing a fall favorites and empties type of video. So some of these products are some empties that I've gone through. Some of them I've repurchased over and over, and then some of them are just relatively new favorites, but I just wanted to share that with you guys. So if you like favorite type videos, then give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see what my favorites are and what products I've emptied and repurchased, then keep on watching. Okay, so I have a few items here, but I'm going to first talk about this particular brand. This is the Teami blend product, and I talked about their products multiple times on my channel. Thank you so much, Teami Blend, for sending me these products. But this particular product is makeup and skincare products. So a lot of my products in this video are skincare, hygiene, feminine hygiene products, you know, just the feminine stuff to keep us smelling good, looking fresh, feeling fresh, you know. So this one is the Teami Blend Makeup Remover Tea Infused Facial Cloths, and I've been liking these. I've been like trying not to use too many though, because they do come in individual packs. They come in individual packs like this. So I'm trying to keep them because these are perfect for like when I'm traveling somewhere, when I'm going to a family's house and it's late and I want to remove my makeup. These are perfect for on the go. So I try not to use these too much, especially since I'm just sitting in the house. But what I like about this is that it's super hydrating on the skin. It's infused with aloe vera, cucumber, and coconut. So you're getting that skin benefit that you need in your skin, not stripping your skin. So yes, that is the Teami Blend Makeup Removing Wipes. And the other thing that I like a lot from them is their Superfood Cleanser that's made with organic ingredients. So the ingredients are matcha, turmeric, and sea kelp. And that's what this look like. I have been, look at this. Try not to use a little bit of this, y'all, go a long way. This pumps out so much product just off of one pump. So I literally like slightly pump it so I can get a half a pump and not a full pump, because this stuff is amazing. It leaves my skin really, really smooth and hydrating, and it's easy to remove my makeup. It just cleanses it, like it gets the remaining residue off once I go in with a wipe and cleanser. But this just does the extra cleansing for me. So again, this is the Teami Superfood Cleanser made with organic ingredients. It has matcha, turmeric, and sea kelp. And this just helps clean the skin, tone the skin, hydrate the skin. So if you are looking for some skincare products and makeup removing products that you want to add to your skincare regimen that are healthy for the skin with natural and, you know, organic ingredients, definitely check out Teami Blend. I will have their discount code on the screen here. You can also check it out in the description box below. You can save you some coin on those products. They have a bunch of products. I've talked about their mask. I love masks. Their mask, thumbs up. They have so many different products on there. So definitely check them out. Again, their link will be in the description box below, and you can save some money by using my discount code. So that is that. Since we're on the skincare topic, I'm going to go ahead and talk about these two skincare products. So if you see my makeup tutorials and a lot of my makeup videos, I talk about this moisturizer a lot. This is the Korres Almond Blossom Moisturizer, and it looks like this. Y'all, empty. I don't even know if you guys can see this. Empty. And I think I mentioned that I got this from Marshall's, and ever since I mentioned it, I go to Marshall's and I don't see it. I don't know what's going on. Y'all let me know. Do y'all go pick up the products when I'm telling y'all? And then I can't even get the product no more. But this has been my favorite. Like this Korres Almond Blossom Moisturizer, it keeps the skin hydrating, really, really moisturized without it looking oily or dewy or too glowy. I allow my other makeup products to do that, but this, girl, if you have dry skin, Korres, check out Korres. But you know what? I think they have some of their products still on Sephora's website. Maybe. But I love finding their products in Marshall's, TJ Maxx. You guys know I love that store. So that is this moisturizer. The next thing I have are the Clean and Clear Lemon Exfoliating Slices. These are the swipe away pore clogging dirt and oil pads. You get 45 in this packaging, and this is actually the second one that I finished. My last one is here, but this is what the pads look like. They come in a container like this, white pad, a soft, gentle exfoliating pad. but these are bomb. I'm telling you, these are a dupe to me to the Neogen Pads. Sephora used to sell these Neogen Pads, and they were called the lemon ones, and they also had the green tea. Girl, I've gone through 2 of those Neogen lemon pads, and then they took it off the shelves at Sephora. Now when I Google it, I'll insert a picture somewhere on here. Now when I Google it, it only comes up on like Walmart or something like that, and it's only on like Walmart online. You can't go into the store, well, not in my local Walmarts. You cannot go into the store and purchase this product, and if you know me, you know I really try to stray away from ordering online. I'm going to go ahead and probably order those Neogen ones because I really do like that one, but these will do the job, especially since I'm like hesitating on ordering those. These do the job, and these are definitely more affordable. I think these are less than $10. The Neogen ones are $27, so yeah, some exfoliating for the face. So I have 2 candles. I've already thrown away the container of the other one, and I actually use this candle all year round, but it's definitely one of my, it's like my only favorite candle. I don't mind trying out the different fall ones, like Marshmallow Fireside is one of my favorites. Sweater Weather is okay. This aromatherapy one is like the next one in line. This is the Stress Relief Eucalyptus and Spearmint one, and this is from, these are from Bath & Body Works, by the way. But my all-time favorite candle, like I said, I don't have the container anymore because I burned them all. I'm waiting for Bath & Body Works to have that sale so that I can really rock up, because sometimes I go into the store, they don't even have it anymore. But it is the limoncello, however you say it, limoncello candle. I'll put a picture somewhere on the screen, but that is my favorite candle of all time from Bath & Body Works. I love the way that it's just fresh. It's very lemony. Ooh, thinking about it now, I cannot wait to get my hands on it again. So, since I don't have that going anymore right now, I have been burning the Aromatherapy Stress Relief Eucalyptus and Spearmint. And this is one of my favorite as well. It's very refreshing, very calming, especially when you inhale it and after you're like chilled, shower, maybe get your glass of wine, your juice, your water, whatever it is, and just chill out on the couch. Inhaling this eucalyptus mint is very relaxing to me. So I really enjoy this stress relief one a lot. So gone through these many a times as well. Next on the list is this fragrance. I'm going to talk about one fragrance. This is like perfect for fall if you're looking for a fragrance to wear throughout the fall, wherever you're going. But this is the YSL Libre Parfum. I love this stuff. A little bit goes a long way. She is pricey, so she only comes out during the fall and winter time for moi, but she smells amazing, okay? Very luxurious, very sweet. Sweet, but not like kitty sweet. You know what I'm saying? Like adult, sexy. I think I talked about this before on my channel. The notes in here, I don't know for sure, but I love this fragrance. It smells so good. It smells like you're $1,000,000, okay? Thank you to YSL for this. Cute bottle to have on your vanity, on your dresser, wherever you store your perfume and girly products. So that is that. One of my favorite lip products that I've been wearing a lot since I've gotten it is the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick. This is in the 255 Chai Genius. It's this perfect nude for like every day, all day. Very comfortable, mask friendly, and I'll swatch it for you guys. Mask friendly, and it smells just like chai, which is my favorite drink at Starbucks, by the way. So I don't have that here, but the chai, ice or cold, I've actually recently tried it with the pumpkin foam on top. Wasn't too bad. Lots of, I think they put pumpkin syrup in there, so it was just too much pumpkin going on. But I love a chai tea latte from Starbucks, which is my favorite. So thought I'd talk about that just a little bit. All right, so next I'm gonna talk about some feminine products. So recently, I would say about 2, maybe 3 months ago, one of my best friends was telling me about the Honey Pot company, and I didn't know anything about it. I was using Always. So she told me about these, and I'm like, girl, no, sensitive, not happening. And she was like, no, I'm telling you, try this out, da-da-da. So I tried one, and I was hooked, okay? So I go to Target every time to get these. Now, I will say a pack of these do run you about $8 in Target, as opposed to you getting a big bag of Always pads for about $5.99, $6. But what I like about these is how they feel refreshing, very lightweight. and you know, they're not moving around making me feel uncomfortable. But I get the Honey Pot Company they're the herbal infused pads with wings. It has a mint cooling, lavender calming, aloe soothing. That's what they do, like ingredients or whatever in them. They are natural, chlorine free, pesticide free, cotton rose, mint aloe. You know, that's what the ingredients are in here. And the fact that all the ingredients are listed on the back, you can see what's not in here, what's in here. They're plant-based for those of you who are interested in that type of stuff. Plant-based feminine care. So I love these pads. Like I said, I feel fresh. And actually, what I have noticed that if you know, like that second day, third day, sometimes you're just not even in the mood. But when I wear these, they kind of calm and subside my cramps. I don't know if it's the mint, I don't know if it's the aloe, I don't know if it's the lavender. But whatever this is doing, honey, it's working. I also use the Honey Pot sensitive wipes. The only thing I don't like about these is that they're not flushable, but that's another story for another day. But these right here definitely keep me refreshed as well, and I really like having these on hand. I recently just purchased some travel ones, so you don't have to carry this big bag around. They come individually wrapped, how the Teami makeup wipes are, so I really do like that. So that is that. Comment down below if you tried the Honey Pot Company feminine products. I know they got like sprays and foams and stuff like that. Let me know down below. I love this brand, and kudos to my girl for telling me about those. Last but not least is going to be some body care. So this body care stuff, I was late to the party on this one, but when I got to it, honey, I couldn't even leave. Okay, this is the Tree Hut Sugar Scrub, and this one's in almond and honey. Now the thing is, this is what it looks like. Empty. I got this one from Ross for $5.99 because I was like, you know what, I'm constantly seeing the Tree Hut. My little sister was telling me about it, and I'm like, you know, I ain't thinking about it. I wasn't thinking about no scrubs. But I actually like using scrubs, especially after the gym. Coming from the gym, because you're really sweaty and stuff like that. And this was actually the first, before I purchased the Tree Hut, the first scrub I was purchasing was the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. Now this one is my favorite by Dove. This is the crushed macadamia and rice milk, and it looks like this. If it's dirty, I'm sorry. I tried to hold this to the side until I showed you guys, but it is completely empty. This one smells so good. It still smells good. Really refreshing, like almond nuts and stuff like that. The scrub on here is very, very fine, very, very, very fine compared to the Tree Hut. So the Tree Hut is a little thicker crushed sugars. Oh my gosh. This smells so good, almond and honey. So as you can see, I have a thing with almonds and macadamia, rice, coconut, brown sugar, and all that. So I actually have a new one of this. It's like the pear something. I got it from Ulta. But yeah, I really like these Tree Hut products. So that's been my favorite like body scrub lately. So that is all of my fall favorites thus far with skincare, feminine hygiene products, body care, and facial products and candles and home stuff and things like that. But you guys let me know if you tried any of these products, if you like any of these products. And don't forget to check out Teami Blend's website so that you can get your discount. Use my discount code, get you some money off. So use that code and purchase some of their products, whether it's skincare, body care, what have you. They have it all on their website, and you guys would certainly enjoy those products. So definitely check them out. Again, their information will be listed in my description box below along with my discount code. So until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.